Alright guys, welcome back. Cypher here. Today we're going to talk about what's really happening with the Bitcoin right now and why the drop you are seeing is not the end of the bull market. It might actually be one of the biggest opportunities of this cycle. But to understand that, you need to know two things: the cycle psychology and the liquidity traps market makers use to control the chart. So let's break it down simply. So, the Bitcoin cycle that keeps repeating. Every single cycle, Bitcoin does the same dance: a strong rally, a violent correction, and a fake sense of doom, and then a massive market expansion. And every time people think this cycle is different. But look at history. 2013, 80% crash, new all-time high. 2017, 84 crash, new all-time high. 2021, 55 crash, new rally. Now, so far, only 20-25% drop. We haven't even seen a real cycle reset. This is not the typical end of bull market behavior. This is a mid-cycle volatility. So, is this cycle different? Yes, something is different this time. Institutions are here. Spot ETFs changed the game. Trump openly supports crypto. The US debt crisis pushes capital toward decentralized assets, and America's debt is above 1.2 trillion yearly, and the government is already exploring alternative hedges. So for the first time in history, big money wants Bitcoin to succeed. So ask yourself, why would they let retail buy the button? No, they won't. They shake you out first. So with all that said, you need to understand the liquidity trap. The real reason for this dip. Now, let's add the important part: liquidity. Right now, Bitcoin has $180 million in liquidity stacked above price at around 88,737,000. And most people think big liquidity above price, well, that means we are going up. Yes, but also no. Because market makers use two types of walls: real liquidity and fake liquidity. So fake liquidity is one of the strongest traps in the market. Here is how it works. They place huge liquidity above price. Retail thinks the market will pump, and everyone starts longing. Then the wall disappears. Price dumps, and longs get liquidated. Market makers buy cheaper. Then the real move happens. Exactly as shown right here. The contraction and point of maximum financial opportunities, and then the expansion. And this exact play happened in 2021, 23, 22, and 2019. And it's forming again right now. So the question isn't, is Bitcoin going up or down? The real question is, are they hunting long or hunting short first? Because liquidity shows the target, but market makers choose the direction and the timing. Is the bull market over? Short answer, no, not even close. This is not a macro top. This is a liquidity setup. We are still between contraction and expansion. So right here. Expansion, the zone known as the point of maximum opportunity. Retail sees here fear, but smart money sees discount. Market makers see liquidity. So my friend, if you are here for crypto and you are here for money, I want you to read the intention behind the move, not the move itself. Because in this market, the chart shows numbers, liquidity reveals truth, and behavior exposes everything. So, with all that said, let's see the Crypto Kings Telegram group and see what is happening in the MEMECOINS section. Well, this morning I've seen this one did a 46x, and I think this one went to here 25, 26, 26x. Let's see down what is going on here. 11x, 2x. Well, anyway, this is in the maximum room Solana. Let's see Binance Smart Chain, what is happening right here. 1.4, not a big thing. 1.5. The market now is really terrible in the situation, especially in the meme coin section. but we still manage to do great X's daily. Well, at least like 6 or 8 coins do more than 10x. So for me, that's great. The algorithm is doing a great job eliminating 30,000 coin to 100 coin, and from the 100 maybe there is 20 or 25 coin that they do 20, 30, 40x. So guys, that was all for this episode. See you next time.